Jai Srimanarayana. 24th sloka of 3rd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Utsideyuhu ime lokaha nakuryam कर्म चेदहं संकरस्य च कर्तास्याम् उपहन्याम् इमाः प्रजाः। ओम। Do not fail to conduct yourself as per prescriptions of our Vedic scriptures. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us should surrender to Him alone. Sri Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Sriman Narayana, I shall not fail to conduct myself as per prescriptions of our Vedic scriptures. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, now I am telling you Sri Rama's story. Yesterday, Sri Sukha Yogindra delivered one prayer sloka. We will again remember that sloka now. Guru Vardhe Tyakta Rajyo Vyacharadanovanam Padma Padbhyam Priyayah Panisparsa Akshamabhyam Mrujita Patharujo Yo Harindra Anujabhyam Vairupyat Surpanakhyah Priya Viraharusharopita Bhru Vijrumbha Trastabdhirbaddha Setuhu Khaladavadahanaha Kosalendraha Avatannaha. Om. Sri Sukha Yogindra saying, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Ramachandra Swami protected Vishwamitra's yajna by killing so many demons. Though he was associated with Lakshmana Swami, he did not take any help from Lakshmana. Yaha lokavira samitau dhanuhu aisham ugram Sita Swayamvara gruhe. Not only that, he went to Sita Swayamvaram. There so many great soldiers, kings came, and 300 very strong soldiers brought Sivadhanusu there. As and how one elephant breaks a sugar cane, just like that Ramachandra Swami broke that Sivadhanusu, and he has taken Sita Devi. That Sita Devi has such a great beautiness and the character and a very good match to Ramachandra Swami in every aspect and respect. In fact, that Sita Devi is none other than Sakshat Lakshmi Devi, who lives in the heart of Sriman Narayana eternally. So after Ramachandra Swami took Sita Devi, he was going back to Ayodhya. On his way, he came across Parasurama. Parasurama is the one who went around the world for 21 times and killed all the kings. That Parasurama was having such arrogance, so Ramachandra Swami suppressed that arrogance. And Ramachandra Swami, following his father's words, he left the kingdom. He gave up all the pleasures of the kingdom. Yayau vanam asun iva mukta sangaha. Just like a muni, he went into the forest. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra telling Ramacharita to Parikshin Narendra. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, 24th sloka. Utsideyurime lokaha na kuryam karma chedaham sankarasya cha kartasyam upahanyamimah prajaha. Utsideyurime lokaha na kuryam karma chedaham sankarasya cha kartasyam upahanyamimah prajaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.